Hey, I'm Justin over here at Gexhaust, Oakland Park. Everybody around here calls me Jay. We are experts in the exhaust industry. We specialize in custom exhaust. We specialize in performance exhaust. Anything you could possibly need, we've probably already done it. So come on by and get your ride sounding right. Customer said he wanted his truck to breathe a little better and get a little bit of better gas mileage, so we got him a K&N Performance Intake Kit. If you want your truck to sound right, make sure you come to Gexhaust, because this is what we do.